Have you ever seen someone at the gym wearing a goddamn jeans? Or someone at a ceremony or a party wearing sneakers with a pair of shorts? I'm sure you'd rather die than be an isolated nerd cause of your wardrobe. I am gonna be covering the only X clothing items you need in your wardrobe to look good on any occasion. Starting off with casual, you need at least 2 regular fit black tees, an oversized black tee, 2 regular fit white t-shirts, along with an oversized textured white tee. You must have a pair of blue jeans to match with the tees and have your everyday casual outfit ready. You need to have a pair of black pants with a black half-sleeve shirt to use as a casual party outfit. You can pair any of these outfits with white sneakers or with a pair of Vans old school shoes. Now add a black thread bracelet and a leather bracelet to it, and a nice white watch to make yourself stand out. Now moving to formal outfits, the first thing you need to have is a black polo shirt, a white polo shirt, and a polo shirt of your favorite darker shade of color. Also, get a sky blue button shirt, a navy shirt. Now pair any of these with a pair of white chino pants, a pair of black chino pants, and a pair of chino pants in a lighter shade of brown. Now you can throw any of those with any of those pants and you'll get a good outfit. Just get some nice black and brown dress boots to pair with the outfit. For the party outfit, you need to have black, blue, brown, white, and shirts of your favorite color. You can use the chino pants from the formal outfits to pair with these. You need a black coat, a navy coat, and a cream color coat to throw on top. Get a chain necklace and some rings, and you'll have a couple of party outfits to wear on any casual or formal party. Last thing you'll need is a couple of clothing items for unoccasional events, like a beach party or going outdoor in summer. You'll need a few floral shirts, a few tank tops, and some half-sleeved cotton shirts. Once you get these clothing items, you'll have a wardrobe with clothing items that can be worn on every occasion while looking super elegant and stylish.